Hi all of you, so back with another gameplay video. So this is kind of a gameplay video. So in this video I'm going to play the Flexbox Froggy game. As you can see here, Flexbox Froggy. Okay, so let me just open my some file like boilerplate. So why I have opened my boilerplate file, because I want to uh, copy css from here and paste it to this, and I will show you that how you can do that. So this is my first task, as you can see that. So right now my goal is to place this frog here, and this is the pond, this is the water. Okay, so what command should I give? I think I should give row no row flex direction. Wait a minute. Flex. First I have to, okay, first I have to give like body body flex direction. I think it's row reverse. So let me just copy this, okay, and paste it here. So now you can see that my frog is now here. So I have completed my first task. So now it's time for to do next task. So next task is I have to place this here, and it is also saying that use justify content again to help these frogs. So I think justify content, let me see, justify content center. Okay, as you all know that justify content works for horizontally. Okay, and no, not horizontally, like it works for, I think, vertical. Justify content center. So let me copy this. Now it's time to paste. So now you can see that my frogs are here. Now my next option is available. So let me do these all tasks, and let me see that how far I can go. So it's time to use help all the three frogs find their lily pads. So these are lily pads. Okay, just by adding justify content. Okay, I have to use again justify content. I think I should use here which property. I think space, uh, let me see again. I think space evenly, space evenly, let me see, space evenly or space, let me see first, space around. Okay, so let me just space copy this and paste it here. My frogs are placed on the lily pads, so this works really great. So you just have to think in your mind that what property will be, what property will suit to this. Now again I have to use justify content. Okay, in this I think space around, no, space around, no, not space around. I think I have to use here um, which property, space evenly. Let me see, space evenly works or not. It is not working, I think. Uh, Again let me just cut it. Okay, let me again do space between. So I think this works, justify content space between. So now you can see that the space between works really well. So my all of three frogs are now placed. So now it's time to go on the next level. Now you can see the task is little tricky. Use align item. So let me just see how can I place these frogs. Align item, flex, it is flex, and uh, it is it is flex end. I think I am right. So let me paste here, and you can see that my frogs are placed. Okay. uh, Now here I want to use justify content as align item. So I understand what I want to do here. Just in align item I should do like center. Okay. Also I want to do justify content center. Okay, let me copy these both. Now it's time to paste. Now you can see that align item, I think align item works for vertical and justify content works for horizontal. So it is horizontally center and also vertically center. So now it is placed on lily pad. So now it's time to go next. So one lily pad is here, one is here. So first I want to do like I want to uh, I want to use this both justify content as well as align item. I think I should do first justify content is for here. I will use flex end. Okay, so let me paste, let me like copy and paste it here. So it is horizontally working. No, I want to do align item. Okay, so let me just cancel it. Okay, now I want to do align item flex end because it works vertically. So first I have to do this align item. Let me copy and paste. So now you can see this is placed here, these frogs are placed here. Now it's time to give which property should I give. I think justify content space between or space around. Let me see. Justify content space evenly or between. I think space evenly. Let me see first. Now it's time to paste here as well. These are placed but not on the center on of the lily pad, so that's why it is not available. This button, next button, I think it should be around. Okay, around. So now you can see it works space around. Okay, so let me do next. I have reached to 8 level, so just comment down and congratulate me. So it's time to go here. I think I should do justify content. Let me see, justify content for horizontally, justify content flex end. Okay, I think it is, oh, it's here already. So let me do here. Now you can see. Okay, the problem is that I have to first change the position of red as well. So flex direction, which direction should I, okay, I know which direction should I use. I should use flex direction. Okay, flex direction row reverse. I think this is that command, flex direction row reverse. Okay, let me paste it here as well. What is the problem? Flex direction row reverse. Okay, I got it. So row reverse means it will do it in one command, as you can see here. So that is the problem. So now I am at the level 9. So help these frogs to find their column of lily pad. I think I have to use flex direction. So which direction should I use? Let me do it flex direction column reverse or column. Let me see. I think column. Column is the right property. Column. Okay, let me copy and paste it here. Now you can see that I have passed this round as well. Now it's time to go to another round. Justify content. What should I do? I have to do just to change this place, frog place. How can I do that? Justify content as well as flex direction. So how can I do that? Let me think of that. Notice that when you set the direction to a reverse row or a column, start and are also reversed. Okay, I got it. Because justify content works, first let me copy justify content. Flex direction row reverse will be not work. Flex direction should be, I think, row reverse. No. Let me guess something else, like justify content flex end. I think it will not work. Center no. Left right. Let me try this. Left. Okay, let me copy. I don't know what it does, but let me copy and paste it here. It doesn't work. I don't know why. Let me do row. It is already row, so how can I do this? Justify content and use flex direction both. But let me see what can I do. Flex direction, it is really hard level. I think column reverse, row reverse. Let me see the pattern first. So I want to place this frog here, and also if I do row reverse it will start from here, and if I do justify content row, I think I got it. Let me just it is like hit and trial. Okay, so let me first copy this row reverse. Okay, so now it's time to paste it here. So now my pattern is ready. So just it's time to place this here. So what can I do? I can do this with my flex direction. Column, no, row. I think row. So let me copy this as well and paste it here. Okay, it is again doing that same problem. Okay, I am doing flex direction. I should use justify content, so that's why it is not doing justify content flex start. I think flex start is the right property. And nothing happened. Why nothing happened? Flex starts from here. Okay, I think it should be flex end, because row is reversed, so that's why. So yeah, so now I think I have got. So now I just want to share that what is the logic behind that. So the logic is, first I reverse it and I placed it here, okay, at the right, and after that I use the property justify content to justify content that flex end. So now the flex end is here because my row is reversed and it is starting from here, so it is starting from here. Now the end is here, so that is the logic. So now let me go in the next round. Okay, so I think help this frog find I think I got the logic. First I want to do align item. Let me see again. Align item, first I have to make it like flex, using flex direction column. First is flex direction column. Okay, let me see what happens. Okay, it is now really well. Now it's time to give align item flex end. Yes, this is that property. Which should I copy from here and paste it here? Okay, I think I have done something wrong. Let me I think justify content, I want to place it here. So what will be the, now my direction is column, so I think column reverse, no, flex end, yes, flex end should be done. So let me do just not here, from here, justify content, let me do justify content of end or flex end. Okay, so let me paste it here as well. So now you can see that it works really well. It's time to read the question. Help the frogs to find the lily pad using flex direction and justify content. Align item, I don't know. Let me just search. Align item is used for, is used horizontally or vertically. Let me aligning item in the flex container. There is a website also known as W3 School. Yeah, that this is that website. So let me read out where is the align item. Center vertically using align. Okay, so I think align item works vertically, and justify content works in horizontally. Okay, so now it's time to change the pattern first by using row reverse or column reverse. What should I use? I think column reverse. Flex direction, column reverse. So let me copy it. So now you can see that my frogs are placed really well in the right direction. So it's time to place on their lily pad. So what I can do, justify content. Let me do justify content. Hint is here in the question. Justify content space evenly or between or around. I think space around. Let me copy it from here and paste it here. I think it works for evenly. I'm confused among both of them. Now I think it's time to give between. So now this works. So it is kind of a hit and trial, so you can also do this, and by doing this you will understand more, the concept will more clear to you. So now I am at the half of 24 divided by 2 is 12. So now I have done my 50% level. So now it's time to go to 60%. Let's see. Now I have to use 3 properties. First, I think my green frog should be placed here, my yellow. Okay, first I have to do, I think what should I use? Row reverse. I think row reverse is the right property. Where is row reverse? Yeah, row reverse is here. Let me copy this. Okay, and okay, now it's time to do them center by doing align item center. Okay, as well as justify content also center. So now you can see that it is working. Align item is working vertically, and my justify content works horizontally. I think you all can now understand very well. Now it's time to do justify content also center. Not center, not center. Let me I think I have made a mistake here. I think I used here flex end. Let me try this flex end. So now it's time to paste it here. So yeah, this works. So now it's time to add justify content center, justify content center. So let me copy this. Okay, now if I paste this, so now you can see that my frogs are placed here. It is giving me reward filling. So let me do next. So now I am at 14. Okay, sometimes reversing the row or column of a container is not enough. In these cases we apply the order property of individual by default item. Okay, so I have to change this both place. How can I do? We can use this property to also set it to a positive or negative integer. Use order property. What is order property? I don't know really. What is order property? Order, let me write -1, or let me see here, -1. Yeah, so let me write -1, -1. Okay, let me see what it does. So let me try. I think I have made some mistake. Why something not happened right here? Let me do 0. Yeah, it is change. So now you can see that my frogs are changing place. So let me do 2. So yeah, so my frogs have changed their places. So now I can go next. So hint is in the question as well. You can see, oh my god, there are now 5 frogs. I want to place this frog here. So let me write here order colon 4. Let me try. No, there is not a row. There is not a 4. I think 1. Why it is not working? Let me do 0. After doing 0, these frogs are not changing their places. Why? So yeah, my so you can see order is equal to -2. I don't know what this order does, but I know that uh, it is not used so much. So don't worry about this. I am just showing you to play how to play this game. By reading these questions, you will find some hint as well. Another property you can apply to individual item is align self property. I don't know what is align self. I really don't know. So let me try align self. Okay, align self flex end. I think this property should work. Let me paste it here. Yeah, because it is flex end. Okay, so this property works. Now I think I am closer to my 24th level. So let me just do next. So as you can see that my frogs are what should I do? Order plus align self. So I think order should be -1. No, order should be 1. Yeah, so order should be 1. After that I can give align self. So let me try align self again. Align self, like what should I use? Flex end. Yeah, flex end. So let me cut this. Okay, and paste it here. Why it is not working? Let me do it again using some more property. Align self flex start center baseline. Let me try this baseline. I don't know what it does, but let me try. Okay, it is not working. What can I also use after this? Align self. I think flex start. Let me try flex start. Okay, it is also not working. Order, combine order, and to help frogs to their destination. Let me try again. Align self. I think I can use flex start. uh, wait, let me flex start. I have already used. So what can I use now? Stretch. I think I can use stretch. So let me uh, copy this as well. It is also not working. So I think I can use align item, not align item, align self. Align self. I think I can use auto. So let me try auto. Okay, it is also really not working. I don't know why. For display flex, align item flex start. So this is flex start. It means I can use align item is used to go vertically. So what can I use? So let me try another thing. Align self. Okay, I could not find what I can use. Stretch not working. Center. Let me try center as well. I don't know it works or not. It is also not working. I don't know what is the problem. um Line item. Now I have to place these, only these two frogs here. How can I do that? Order one, align self to help the frogs. So let me try another property of align self. Okay, align self. Let me try initial. Okay, I'm just hitting and trying. Okay, it is also not working. I don't know why. Let me try flex end here. Okay, flex end here, and let me change the order. Let me change order. It is not working. So yeah, it works. You can see that I have changed my order. So now I am at the 18th level, and just few levels before my end. Okay, so it is kind of a really uh, uh, it is kind of a really hard task. Okay, uh, oh no, the frogs are squeezed onto a single row of lily pads. Spread them out using flex wrap. So I think I can use, yeah, I think I know, a flex wrap, wrap reverse. Let me see what is the pattern. I think flex wrap, I think I should use here wrap reverse. Okay, let me do wrap reverse, wrap reverse. Okay, now it's time to paste. I think I have done something wrong. Let me try only wrap. Yeah, it works. So you can see that. So now these frogs are now working. Now I am on the 19th level of this. Oh my god, I think I should use here flex wrap only. Okay, um I think I should use now what should I use? Flex direction. Flex direction should be flex direction. Where is my flex direction? Column or column reverse. I think column is the right. Flex direction column. Now it's time to paste. So now you can see that I have also done this level. Okay, and I think I am now 4 level before the end. So let me see. Two properties, flex direction and flex wrap, are used so often together. I think, yeah, I know this. I think I should use a wrap only, flex wrap, and what should I use? Column. Okay, let me see. Let me try. So there is a property. I think there is like CSS flex flow. In this you can, let me do it here. So you can write your flex direction as well as flex wrap. Okay, so flex direction is a column. Okay, and flex wrap is wrap. Okay, not wrap reverse. So I have put both properties in the same element. So now you can see that I have also passed this level. So now it's time to go to another one, which is display flex wrap. I think I should yeah, this is really good. Align item. Align content is to set multiple line space apart from. Okay, so let me try align content. I have never tried it. Align content. Let me see. Baseline position. Okay. Content position. So what is baseline position? So let me see from here. Flex start, how you can multiple lines are spaced. Determine spacing between the line while align item. Okay, so let me see something like a space. Let me see here. I think it's center. Let me copy it. Okay, I think it is working really well. Now I have to use, what can I use? Baseline position or content distribution. Align item. Okay, align item. So now what is my align item? Let me see. Flex and no. I think I should go for flex start. Align, where is my align item? Flex start. I should use flex start. Let me copy it and edit it here. Only I can do center, not center. Flex start. I think it is not working. Why? Flex end. Let me do flex end. I don't know why it is not working. Let me do a flex and it is not working. How this works? Let me Google it right now. Flex content. W3 school. Let me check it. Where is my flex content? Justify content. No, justify content I have already know. It is justify content. I need like what is flex content? Or let me see. Where is my game? Okay, align content. It is align content. So let me try it here. Align content. ALI. Align content. W3 school. Yeah. Width. Align content. Center. Flex wrap. I want that I want that property in which I can use multiple property, because I have only one, you can say one section to use the property. It is not showing me what I want to see. So I think W3 school, it is no. Let me try images. I think images will help me. Align content, multiple property. Okay, so let me try this. Align item, stretch, align item, start. I think I should use align item start. Okay, let me try this as well. SGRT. So yeah, this works. Okay, so let me try another level. Font display flex wrap.